Mũcemanio wa Machibu na Minista wa Ũgitĩri Fred Matiang'i kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri uma wa kwarĩra mĩtaratara ya Machibu gũcangĩra harĩ ũgitĩri wa bũrũri. Rĩu Machibu 12,000 makĩheo ũigĩrĩrĩki wa gũthũrima mĩhang'o ya ithurano nene. Rĩu Mangũha akĩĩranĩra kũheana nduthi 10,000 nĩguo kũhũthia wĩra wao.
We also know that we are in the season when we need them most in terms of keeping social order, keeping security, as people are running around trying to create chaos in this country in the name of politics. We know these are the people who will ensure that this season and the season that follows is a peaceful season.
Some of the utterances and activities of some of our politicians that you have noticed in some of your areas, but don't allow crime in the name of political campaigns anywhere in this country. Don't.
Matiang'i nĩorĩtie Machibu kwaga kũguoyohio nĩ ateti ende marute wĩra wao na wĩigĩrĩrĩki mbere, hĩndĩ na thutha wa ithurano matekwendera mĩahũ o yothe ya kĩũteti, akiuga Machibu nĩ gĩtugĩ kĩnene harĩ thayũ wa bũrũri.
Sasa huyu chifu huyu, wewe nikimaliza kura hii nikichukua hii kura hii, wewe nitakutoa kazi. Acha nikwambie, hakuna kazi mtu atakutoa. Let's do the work we are supposed to do. Don't be intimidated by all this kind of nonsense. Chiefs wameanza kuambiwa namna hii ili porojo hiyo iingize baridi kwako ili usifanye kazi yako. The intention is to intimidate you. Sasa waseme Matiang'i na Kibicho wameenda kuambia chief, waseme ndio nimewaambia tulinde nchi yetu.
Nĩmĩario ĩkindĩrĩirwo nĩ mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ya ũgitĩri Karanja Gĩbico, rĩu agĩthing'ĩrĩria bata wa Machibu oho akĩendekithia wĩra wa Machibu kũheo gĩtĩo.
We are very happy, Waziri, because for the period that we've been there, we have seen real action of trying to energize these people and give back the command that they used to enjoy. And that is why this country has gone very quiet in terms of security, because the people who are supposed to do the detection of any insecurity, any collapse of social order are these people, because they are at the grassroots, analala mahali watu wako, wanaongea na hao watu, and the early detection of crime is done. And that's why we have order in this country.
Wĩra ũngĩ Machibu mathukĩirwo nĩ kũrũa na njũragano cia kĩmĩciĩ, kũrũa na wohi wa nda cia tene na kũrũnga mĩtugo ya mbeũ njĩthĩ nĩguo kũnyihanyihia ũgwatania wa mũrimũ wa mũkingo.
Ile shida tumekuwa nayo kwanza is the resurgence of HIV in the country. Numbers again are beginning to go up. Namba 2 ni gender violence. Shida tumekuwa nayo ya kutumbua watoto wetu wasichana na akina mama. Number 3, these early pregnancies. There are counties in our country which are doing very bad. Tumerudi tena hiyo shida. Watoto wachanga, mtoto wako 13 years old, 14 years old, kupata mimba na kuwa forced kutoka shule and so on. Unajua sasa usalama ama shida ya usalama is not only wale wakora ambao wanaua watu wetu ama wanasumbua watu wetu. If we keep losing these girls from the education system, if our people keep beating or brutalizing our women and so on and so forth, what kind of society are we creating if we are going to lose our people to HIV/AIDS? This has become a security issue. It's a matter that we must be concerned because it's affecting our population. It's going to affect our productivity. It's going to affect all the investment we are making as government in the big four and all levels of development.
Handũ-inĩ ha Wega TV njĩtagwo Kamau wa Gĩthĩnji.